Welcome to Scuba.com. In this session we're looking at the Oceanic Veo 2 dive computer. Let's take a closer look. A number of Oceanic dive computers, including the one we're taking a look at today, gives you the ability to switch between two different algorithms. The advantage of this is it means it can mimic most of the dive computers on the market. So if your buddy is using a different computer, you can adjust it to provide a similar profile. This gives you the flexibility for safety, providing much more conservative options if required, giving you a safer dive. Okay, so we'll take a look at some of the features we have on the computer then. As you can see, it's a wrist-mounted computer. A nice large strap at the back here makes it nice and easy to fit over your dry suit cuff. Obviously tighten it down, fits over a wetsuit cuff nice and easily. Nice rugged body, keeps it nice and protected. Two buttons at the bottom there for the menu system, makes it nice and easy to operate. And then the large screen in the middle there displays the details nice and clearly. So some of the details we've got, the actual computer system itself. It is air and nitrox compatible. Has a safety stop timer with graphs, 24-hour dive logbook, history, also got a dive planner built in as well, audio and visual alarms to alert you. There's also a backlight as well for low light visibility. We have a user replaceable battery on the back, which is great. This cuts down any maintenance costs. You can replace the battery yourself, don't have to get it sent away. And there's also a port for an optional PC interface as well. You can buy these cables and software separately, plug this into your computer, transfer all your dive details across, and get some extra information like graphs, and obviously store all your details on your PC. So if you now take a look at the menu system on the computer. So as we said before, we have a nice clear screen on the front here, makes it nice and easy to read the contents. And then the two buttons at the bottom are used to scroll through the menus. There's a water activated computer as well, so once you do enter the water, it'll automatically switch to its dive mode, so there's no need to set it up prior to the dive. So the modes that we've got then, it's a nice, as we said, easy to use system with the advanced button at the bottom and the select button. You can scroll through the menus nice and easily. Pressing the advanced button once scrolls you through the menu. So we have details from your last dive, then have temperature shown, no fly and desaturation times, planners, logbooks, also settings for your FO2, alarms, utilities, and also the time settings. And then we have a section for you to change between modes, so you can switch between air and nitrox. Then have a history setting which stores all the details from your last dive. So if you want to edit those informations into a logbook at a later date, you can go to this menu and all your vital information is shown. So entering into one of the menus is very simple again. You can literally just scroll to whichever one you want to enter into, and by pressing this select button and take you through into that menu itself. Once there, you can then use the advanced button again to make any changes. So here we are on the planner. Literally by tapping in the advanced key, it will then change your planned depth, which then give you a no decompression time. If you want to come out of this menu, you can then just press the select key again. It will take you back into the main menu itself. So a really simple, easy to use menu system. It's going to make it very versatile when you're actually diving. Again, really easy to use, really great computer.